Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I did not make a video the past 2 days mainly because of the massive dump that we've been getting on the market. Markets are recovering for the time being. We'll see what happens with the market as a whole. But if we switch over to Nvidia is the one that invested in SERV Stock. You'll notice it's been in a downtrend now since, whew, I can't even see. I can't even see the time. Where's the timeline? Timeline should be. Where's my timeline? Come on. But Nvidia has been downtrending. And when you see a giant like Nvidia struggling to create higher highs and higher lows and going up higher, you better believe that other AI stocks that it is invested in are going to struggle as well. So, since mid June, this stock has been creating lower highs and lower lows, has been trending to the downside. Nobody wants to call it a bear market. I'm not going to call it a bear market just yet, but if this continues, we're going to see stocks across the entire market coming down. When you see Nvidia have weakness, it tends to be the case that everything else is also struggling. I mean, QQQ barely holding on, barely green. I think SPY as well, barely green. So for SERV Stock, let's look at the technicals. Let me throw your technicals up here. So we got $21.56, $22 as our resistance, and then we have $10 as our support. That, my friends, that dump that happened a couple days ago, it revealed the trading range, which is important. You always want to know what the trading range is for a stock. SoundHound, for example, here's the trading range ever since Nvidia invested in this. This thing skyrocketed to $10, retraced back to $4, and it's been trading within this range between $4 and $6. That much is clear. Once that's revealed, I've been telling people buy at $4, sell it at $6. That's a 50% gain, and it's happened already multiple times, and maybe we're on our way there again. You can check out a SoundHound video that I made earlier if you're interested in this one. But SERV, we're waiting for this to reveal that trading range, and we found it. The trading range right now is between 10 and 22 for all intents and purposes. I would say 10 to 20. I'm just going to round down. 10 to 20. That is your range. It's a very volatile stock. So 10 to 20. You do not want to chase it at $20. If you're going to play the breakout, definitely have a stop loss. But if you want to buy cheap, wait and see if the market as a whole is going to come down. This will hurt SERV as well and bring it down to $10. Of course, this is assuming no catalyst. This is just normal market fluctuation. But if we do get a catalyst or some kind of headline, of course, then it doesn't matter what Nvidia does. It doesn't matter what SPY does. It doesn't matter what anything does if it gets a catalyst, because that'll send it easily above $20. We can see that happen with a catalyst. Without one though, and just having the stock fluctuate with the market, we should see this come back down to $10. So your dip buying opportunities down here. If it keeps going up and the market rises, we can see this above 20, and you'll be able to play the breakout at that point. But buying in the middle of the range, you don't know where it's going to go. It's better to, I call that the dead zone. It's better to buy the dip where everyone else clearly decided this is the best opportunity here at $10. So look to buy it between 10 and 11, because that, again, very volatile. It can jump up 10, 20, 30 cents at a time, especially when you get heavy volume. Yes, how it could jump $1 in a 1-minute candle. I've seen it. So that is it for the video. August, I think, is going to be very important for the markets, especially because it's election year. I'm not going to get into politics, but for the most part, it's looking like we are having so much uncertainty to the point that stocks are kind of just, they don't know where to go. Yes, they are coming down, but right now you can even see it on SERV. It's kind of going sideways. It's going sideways over the long term. Sound going sideways. Nvidia right now, if we zoom out on the chart, the bottom is down here at 75, the top is 140. So we're going sideways, and until the next Fed meeting, more than likely the next Fed meeting, and maybe until election is over, we probably won't know exactly what direction the market's going to head. Because right now we're in no man's land. Yesterday and the day before, we got a huge move to the upside. We had a huge recovery day because the dump that happened on the markets was unwarranted. It was an overreaction. And anyone who bought the dip who wasn't scared definitely made money, even on SERV. So, overreactions, nothing more than an opportunity to add cheap. And because it is an overreaction, that much is clear. I do believe that we're just going to go sideways for the time being until the Fed says something bullish or elections. Who knows? I'm not going to go into politics. I'll just stop there. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch for that dip to 10 or that breakout to 20 and above.